Hey, so I'm putting up for download an update to an add-on that I made a few months ago. With this add-on, you're able to generate structures instantly with just a click of a few buttons. And I did make a lot of changes to this add-on, so watch the video so I can show you how it works. The first thing I want to show you is that now it uses an item to generate the structures, which will be this one, the one that's called Structure Selector. And to get this item, it's very simple. There's a few ways that you get it. You could go into the creative inventory and then you could just search for structure. Just look for structure selector and you should be able to find it. And I usually get asked if I can make it compatible with survival. So I also did add a crafting recipe. So you just have to go to a crafting table. And here all you're going to need is 4 pieces of iron and you place them like this. And this is the recipe. So you should be able to get the item like this. But something important is that this model was not meant to be used in survival. But if you want to use it like that, you are able to. Once you have this item, all you have to do is just click on it. And you should get this menu. And here you will get a warning letting you know that there's no undo button yet. I will be adding it in the next update. But for now, there's no undo. So make sure that you back up your world or that you do this on a world that you don't really care about. Because some of these structures might destroy your other structures and that could be a problem. To generate your structure is very simple. Here you get the option to generate houses, trees, or just some other random structures that I added. I will also be adding some different farms in the next update. But just an example, if you wanted to generate a house, all you will have to do is just click on this button where it says houses. And then you select what type of style house you want to generate. Right now there's only modern and medieval, but I will be adding different styles in the next update. So if you want to generate a modern house, just click on this one. And then here you select whatever house you want to generate. I added 20 different modern houses, so you could click on whichever one you like. Just as an example, I'm going to click on this one. And then you also get the option to rotate the structure. So if you want to rotate it, you get rotated here. Just select by how many degrees you want to rotate it. I'm just going to leave it at 0 for now. And then just click submit. And this generates the house instantly. And that's pretty much all you have to do. Let me show you a few other houses that I added. So same thing again, if I click here where it says structure selector, if I click on the item, then I just select the houses again. I'm going to select modern again just to show you a different house. And then here just select whichever one you like. I'm going to select this one and then just click submit. And this is the house that it generated. Something else I want to mention, sometimes it will take a few seconds to generate the house depending on your device. If your device is a little bit slow, then it might take a few seconds to generate the house, but it shouldn't really take that long. And a lot of these will be decorated from the inside and some of them won't. It just depends on the structure. And like I said, I did add some different styles. If I go here to houses and if I select this one that says medieval, all of these houses will be medieval. So any of these that you choose, they will be the same type of style. So if I click on this one and just click submit, this is the house that it generated. And for this add-on, you will have to activate some experimental game features. Let me show you what I mean by that. So before you load your world, you want to go into the world settings. So I'm just going to click here. And you want to go here where it says game and then go down. And you want to look for this one that says experiments. And you want to make sure that the holiday creator features are activated. And the GameTest framework is activated. Make sure both of these are activated or it will not work correctly. If it's still not working, then you can just turn the rest of these on and it should work fine. And you also want to make sure that you activate the behavior pack and the resource pack. Make sure you activate both of these. Once you've done all that, then it should work fine. And you can just start your world. And there's a lot more houses that you can generate, but I'll let you guys check those out. But like I said, I also did add some trees. So if I go here where it says trees, you get the option of just selecting regular trees or mushrooms. There is also this option where it says other. I'll show you that right now. So if I go here where it says regular, here I added 10 different regular trees. So you can just select any of these that you like. I'm just going to click on this one and it's same thing again. Just hit submit and it should generate it. And sometimes it might generate it behind you or in front of you. It just depends on the structure. And if I want to generate a mushroom, I just go here where it says tree, then select this one that says mushroom. And then just select whichever one of these I want to generate. So I'm just going to click on this one. And this is the structure that it generated. But something important I wanted to mention is that you want to make sure that these structures don't generate close to your other structures or they might break the other structure. So if it generates close to your house, it might destroy it. That's why I said to make a backup of your world just in case. And then for the last option, it's this one that says other. So these are just random structures that I added. So if I go here where it says structures, here I added a Charmander, a Chikorita, and a Blooper. So if I want to generate a Charmander, I could just click on this and then just hit submit. And this is the structure that it generated. Some of these will be pretty big structures, so you want to be careful with that. And that's pretty much it for this mod. Something else, last thing I want to mention is that you will have to be on version 1.18.10 or above for this add-on to work correctly. But if you guys have any other issues with this mod, just let me know. Or if you guys have any suggestions of what other structure I should add, just leave that in the comments and I will add them in the next update.